You might let yourself float. You might let yourself feel the energy again. But just remember, break and rebuild. What happens when you break? How do you feel when you break? Physically, but also mentally. How does doing the opposite build your body back up? What different kinds of ways do you break and then rebuild? Whether just in dance or also in life. It doesn't just have to apply to physical movement. You can use your own experiences to kind of let that define your movement. Explore 2 new ways, just 2, that you haven't broken yet. And 2 new ways to rebuild. And when you're ready to stop, I just want you to come to a float, rocking from side to side gently again, and feeling the energy in your fingertips. And once you feel the energy kind of start to dwindle, you can bring your arms closer to your sides, keeping the eyes closed. Just gently wiggle the fingertips. Each finger has its own energy. Pay attention to each one, how it's different. And when you're ready, you can bring the arms down.